Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve not working on Shein app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click here as you see. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you can click on storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us, do like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.